Hello my friends, hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to review this Femme Gold Ultra Cream Bleach 3-step to Powder Glow. So yes, if you want to know more about this product then please keep on watching. It comes in this pack, golden color pack with Sonakshi sent a picture over here, and it retails for rupees 80 and you get 30 gram of product. The shelf life of this product is 2 years from the date of manufacturing. It is dermatologically tested, so it is safe for skin. There is no animal testing, and if you are using it for the first time then please do check out my previous video in which I have told like how to apply bleach step by step, and I'll put the link in the description box and somewhere here on the screen. Let me show you what all it comes in this pack. So these are the new thing about this Gold Ultra bleach is that they have come with pre-bleach cream and post-bleach cream, and this pack is for 3 use. I have already used the once I have already used it. This is the cream and the activator, one spatula, and with this spoon as well. This bigger one is for taking out the cream and the smaller one is for measuring the activator, and the instruction manual, how to use and how to apply everything. It says that Ultra Pre-Bleach prepares and moisturizes the skin. Ultra Bleach mix with real dust for superior glow, and third step is Ultra Post Bleach for parlor like finish. As I already suggested you that I always apply bleach at the night time because I prefer not going outside immediately after applying bleach, especially in the sun. So best time for me for applying bleach is at the night time. And if you are going to attend some special event, then I'll suggest you to apply the bleach before 3 days or prior 3 days. So before moving forward, I want to tell you what are the precautions you should take before or post applying the bleach cream, any of the bleach cream. So wash your face nicely with a mild soap before applying the bleach cream. Leave it on face for 15 minutes only as mentioned on the pack itself. After 15 minutes, wash your face with normal water. Do not use soap or face wash. Don't go out in the sun immediately and avoid going out in sun for at least 6 to 7 hours. Do not apply or reapply the bleach for at least a month because you don't need it, and it is gonna last for at least a month. Do not apply bleach if you have inflamed or pimples or rashes or irritating skin. Then please avoid using bleach. And the most important thing is that do not save the mixed bleach cream for next use because it's gonna go at that time only. You just have to mix the bleach and immediately apply it on face. That's only it works, otherwise it is not gonna work and it might give you breakouts. Now let me show you how I use it. So after washing my face, I apply this pre-bleach cream on my face, and after that I take 1 scoop of cream, small spoon of activator, and mix it nicely and immediately apply it on my face, starting with the sideburn, upper lip, and then rest of my face and neck as well, because usually we generally forget about our neck. So I suggest you to apply it on your neck as well and leave it for the 15 minutes. It will give you slight tingling feeling on the face. It means that the bleach is working on your face, and after 15 minutes the tingling will go off. That means the reaction has completed, and then you can just take off the bleach with the help of normal water. I apply this post bleach cream. The quantity of this cream is good enough. You can give a nice massage to your face and relax while listening to the music. It kind of gives nice moisture and glow to your face. Usually like to apply the bleach usually at the night time because then I can just after application I go to bed, and in morning I can see the difference in my skin. It nicely covers the small hair on the face. It kind of matches to my skin tone, so it kind of gives the illusion that my skin has become brighter. This cream also helps in removing tan and dead skin from the top layer of the skin. This is how the cream looks. It has got slight yellow tinge in it. When you wipe out the cream from your face, you might see little bit of redness on your cheek, but it is normal, nothing to worry about. But if you have too much of irritation, then I'll suggest you to see the doctor, or you just apply the ice on your face, little bit rub the Axe Cube on your face, it will calm the irritation. Cream is good enough because I have sensitive skin and it has not given me any breakout, so it's the best part. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any suggestion, then please do leave it in the comment bar. Hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.